Hello guys, this is a video of this Lakewood box fan. It is a Lakewood. I'm not sure what it is, but yeah, it's pretty cheap, but I'm just making a video on it. High, medium, and low. It's kind of inconvenient that it's right there, but this thing comes off and the whole thing comes apart for easy cleaning. So first, here's high. Pretty good speed and air. Medium. Don't have to hold medium now. It's the good old low. Thank you thank you for watching from Traprio. Turn that thing off. Ouch. That fan just cut me. Well, that's not nice, fan. Okay. And also, fan has to be held together by this like plastic ring that's like really cheap. But at least they're putting on something to support it so it doesn't break as easily. I miss Lakewood's old banana blades, but it doesn't really care. I don't really care too much anymore. Just making a quick video. Bye.